Hey everyone, this week's video, we are out in the field running this D6R with a rake. Let's jump in it. All right, everybody, D6R. We've done a D6R video before. Oh yeah. This one is the newer version. It's got the C9 in it instead of the 3306. And you know, these dozers are legendary for reliability and long lives. This one's got 15,456 hours on it. So what we're doing today is we're going to take this back to the back. We are raking for the stumping dozer. The D8 is back there with the KG blade, and there's a 320 back there, and we also have a burn pile going. So I'm going to show you all that, take you with me. So let's go, I guess. And it's dusty today. We've actually got a creek crossing right here. We got these mats across it. These wood mats are actually strong enough to hold up a D6. Actually strong enough to hold up a D8. It is dusty. $740. All right. Whew. It's a long ways back to the back. I'm actually going to turn the machine around, because if you reverse through the dust, you can still see where you're going as long as you're looking behind you. Visibility is from the front. These guys here are putting in a pond. You can see it. Nice 336 right there. Erosion control pond. All right, everybody, we're back here in the spot where there's going to be a pond. There's our legendary D6, 320s right there. I'm going to take the rake and push all this up into our piles here, and then the burn pile is going right there. But yep, that's the goal. Rake it up. Such a good dozer. When they say they don't make them like that anymore, they really do not make them like that. You can see it, the D8's right there, the trees. I don't know if it'll show up on camera or not, but what I think I'm gonna do is stick y'all over here in the woods, so maybe we get some cool shots of the D6 working. And the 320. We're trying to save that one tree. There's a nice piece of hardwood in there. There we go. Okay, so essentially my goal is to try and shove this stuff up to the excavator right there so he can feed it into the burn pile. I got the D8 behind me right now, so I have to stop. And what I want to try to do is get in there and just roll it a little bit. You don't want to get a bunch of dirt in it because dirt doesn't burn. So back up a few times, get into the pile, sort of roll it into a bundle. Look at that. This has got a lot of long trees in it. I feel like the longer the trees are, the harder it is to get a good bundle going. But once you get it, there we go. Usually kind of hold together. I just want to keep working it a little at a time. There we go, nice roll. Hope that's showing up on camera. Nice roll there. And again, you want to roll it to keep the dirt out of it, because you put it in that pile, dirt doesn't burn. So you just don't want to really dig into the ground. You, there you go. Just want to roll it. Get all that dirt out of the pile best we can. Yeah. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Oh yeah. It's got some really long trees in it. Now I'm gonna tell you what, my gum tree can kiss my butt. That thing's gonna fight you no matter what. And another thing we're running into is I'm hitting a lot of rock. Not because I'm trying to hit rock or dig it into the ground. There's just a lot of surface rock in this place, this property. There we go. He's just grabbing from this pile right here. Throwing it into the burn pile. And this is just what we do. This is what we do all day. Push, push, push. Push, 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 push. There we go. The dust is so bad that I'm actually having a really hard time even seeing where my rake is, which is crazy. It hasn't rained here in months. Months and months and months. And there's a whole pine tree over here. A whole stinking pine tree. Let's see if I can get the whole thing at one time. Look at that thing. Look at that pine tree. Let's see if we can carry the whole tree. Just kind of roll it up the hill. Oh yeah. Oh, need to get over a little more. This is a balance of getting the weight centered on the rake. There we go. Woo, pushing a pine tree. I don't know how long this thing is. What she said. At D8. D8 with a KG blade. All right, I'm gonna follow the D8 down this outfall. Woo, that's a big hole. We gotta get all these stumps pushed back up the hill. All these stumps, the D8 just came through here and popped all these out. You can see where it split that one in half. This is an outfall easement right here. So we're gonna get in the dozer and take these stumps out of the outfall to the burn pile up there. So we can't burn, of course, down this close to these trees. It's dry, look at that. Woo! All right, let's do this. Oh yeah, already better, already looking better. V6R is so cool. C9, that one's got a 3-speed. Well, I guess they all have a 3-speed. That one's got the C9 instead of the 306 rake. Yep. So, as you can see here, this outfall goes all the way around. Yeah. Yep, a lot of stumps to push down through there. But it makes quick work of it. All right, so the rest of this has got to go to that pile way down there. Normally you would take and just wad all this up and keep rolling it into a big long pile, but I've got such a width restriction here. Probably just gonna take a piece at a time, I'm guessing is the best thing. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's try that. All right, everybody. There we are. That's running a D6R with a rake on it. Ran this thing all day. I've had a great time. I've got to go get the excavator and pull back some of these edges a little bit, but great machine. D6R is hard to beat. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this one, I hope to do more in the field kind of stuff like this, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.